today we're 3D printing a print in place turtle, and we're also going to give a paint job as well. If you want to give this a go yourself, there's a link in the description below that goes to the original designer's 3D files, as they are free. There's also a multicolor version as well if you want to do a 2-color print, if your printer is capable of that. But yeah, here we have our print in place turtle. It's absolutely gorgeous, moves great, and actually looks quite realistic. Now I'm going to give this a really bad paint job, and then I'm going to give it another bad paint job. So review my paint job in the comments below, but let's move on. So this is our lovely turtle. It really is lovely, and it is an incredibly good 3D model. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a paint job because it looks simple enough. You've just got these scales on the back effectively that you can paint and make it look a bit more lifelike. And I did a really bad job painting this. So this was my attempt here, and I think this paint was a little bit too liquidy, and it seeped into the layer lines and did not end up looking particularly brilliant, which was very unfortunate. So you know what? I thought I'll come back, I'll try it again, and I'll go for a thicker paint this time, and hopefully it'll be able to hold the shape a bit better with the scales. And this happened to be a very nice gold paint. So, you know what? I thought we'll paint it up, see what it looks like. And I'm kind of wishing now that I actually did have a 3D printer that could do 2 colors, and I could have just done no painting whatsoever and ended up with a perfect 3D printing color. But anyway, here is the final print. And I think she looks gorgeous. So the gold actually works quite well and gives it overall a pretty unique look for sure. Not very realistic, but certainly a little bit unique. The movement in this model is superb. I would definitely recommend giving this a go. It's also got a lot of surface area. It's a little bit ugly underneath, but it means that it will also have really good adhesion if you're not so great at 3D printing. And you can't really go wrong at all with this one. It does need some infill, or at least I would recommend that. You probably can get away without it, but just in case, because you've got so much surface area on the top, I would certainly recommend a little bit of infill for sure. But yeah, came out looking gorgeous. Maybe not the best paint job. Let me know in the comments below if it's a bad one. And yeah, very happy with it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.